Hi friends, today we have to see how to solve the linear equation of two variables by determinant method, or you can say it is Cramer's rules also. Practice set 1.3. Sixth problem from second question. There are two equations are given. Number 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 2, that is equation 1. X minus y upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2, that is the equation 2. For solving determinant method, by determinant method, we have to consider first a1, a2, b1, b2. Now, this is the a1, this is the b1, this is the c1. As there is no coefficient with x, so we have to consider here is 1, that is a2. As 2 is in denominator, so we can write it as 1 upon 2, that is the b2 and it is the c2. Now first of all we have to find the value of d. D is determinant of a1, a2, b1, b2. Now we have to put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 here. Now what is the value of a1? That is the 2. What is the value of a2? That is the value 1. What is the value of b1? That is 3. What is the value of b2? That is minus 1 upon 2. Now we have to cross multiply. That means we can write here 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1. That means 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, that means minus 1. 3 1 ja 3, that is minus 3. So therefore value of d equal to minus 4. Okay. Now we have to find the value of dx. Dx equal to, now as we have to find the dx, so we have to eliminate the coefficient of x. That means a1, a2. In place of a1, a2, we have to write the c1, c2. That means c1, c2, b1, b2. Now what is the value of c1? That is 2. What is the value of c2? That is 1 upon 2. What is the value of b1? That is 3. What is the value of b2? That is minus 1 upon 2. Now cross multiply these two elements, that is 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, so here is minus 1 minus 3 1 ja 3, 3 upon 2. As we have got there two fractions, or there is one fraction and one is whole number, but we have to consider it as a fraction 1 upon 1 and we have to add them or subtract them as per fraction rules. So 2 1 ja 2, we have to cross multiply here. 2 1 ja 2, that is minus 2, minus 3 1 ja 3, that is minus 3 upon 2 1 ja 2, that is 2. Therefore value of dx will become minus 5 upon 2. Okay. Now we have to find the value of dy. Dy equal to, now we have to find as dy, so we have to eliminate the coefficient of y. In place of b1 and b2, we have to put the value of c1 and c2. So write first A1 A2. Now C1 C2. Now write the value of A1 A2, that is 2 1, and C1 C2, that is 2 1 upon 2. Now again cross multiply. 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1. Now we get 2 1 2, 2 1 2, that means 1 minus 2. Now the value of dy equal to, therefore dy equal to minus 1. Now we have to find the value of x, as x equal to dx upon d. That means what is the value of dx? Minus 5 upon 2. X equal to dx upon d, that is equal to minus 5 upon 2 divided by minus 4. That means minus 5 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon minus 4. As there is division sign, so we have to convert it into multiplication and take the reciprocal of minus 4. That will be the 1 upon minus 4. So minus minus will be plus, and this will be the 5 upon 8. 5 1 ja 5 and 2 4 ja 8. That means x equal to 5 upon 8. Now find the value of y. Y will be dy upon d. That means dy is minus 1 divided by d is minus 4. So we get as a 1 upon 4. Therefore y equal to 1 upon 4. So our solution will be 5 upon 8, comma 1 upon 4 is the solution of given equations.